Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. Yeah, Kaspa continues to be in this 5-wave pattern to the upside, potentially still unfolding. This is what I'm tracking at the moment, and the wave count hasn't changed since the last update. In fact, it's actually working out quite nicely. We're likely in this C wave to the upside, which is a 5-wave pattern. The wave count might change. It's not a wave count that gives me much confidence, but it's also not a bearish one. So I'm just simply currently following support, and as long as the support level is holding, I would expect another high in wave 5 that actually could reach the 25-cent region. It would need to be confirmed, however, that this correction is over. And in this video, I want to discuss what we need to see in terms of confirmation, what the levels are that now need to break, and what the relevant support levels are basically. So in this structure here, we are likely in a corrective phase that I call a wave 4. Wave 4 corrections can be very, very boring. Very boring. And if you take a look at this structure here, I explained in the last video that this is likely a WXY structure. It might easily get another low, no problem, to then move up. That's all possible. It's a very, very boring correction that's currently unfolding here. The wave 4 corrections often are boring. That's always why I warn when we head into a wave 4 correction that, oh dear, it can take a while. It can take several weeks. It can be very, very choppy. The problem I've got here at the moment is that it hasn't really given me enough evidence to say it's bottomed, but it reached the one of the target areas here between 9.7 cents and 8.1. Essentially, the orange box is the larger support region. And, for most people, it's important to know that as long as the 7.1 cent level isn't broken to the downside, the expectation of a fifth wave to follow is pretty much still, active and is still a reasonable expectation. Only a break below 7.1 cents would make me, change my expectation. And I would have to think, oh dear, probably some kind of a larger top is in place here, but it looks unfinished. I only have a 3-wave move up. Ideally, it's giving us 5 waves. And basically one more high is missing. I calculated possible targets for that next high in previous videos. We still have it on the chart. 25.7 cents would be the next one, and then 38.3, 47 cents even. But that's far away. I'm not necessarily suggesting we get there. Let's first see if we can hold support, and then if we can break the next resistance level, because this is the level that now needs to break to give us some confidence that a more substantial low has formed. That doesn't mean we necessarily have to move up, but it definitely adds some confidence to that structure. So that resistance level is here at 13.1 cents. Yeah, we talked about a microstructure in previous videos as well. I deleted it not because it got invalidated, but we don't need it really. I mean, the W is an ABC, so I took that off. The X is a clear ABC, we took that off. And at the moment, the move down is also a 3-wave move, ABC. Could have bottomed. Yeah, it's done what it needs to do. At the same time, this Y wave could get another leg down in a larger ABC structure. So that's possible. Therefore, we can worry about all that all day, but the 7.1 cent level is objective. And that's the key level to watch. And below that level, things are changing. For now, in the primary scenario, I'm watching for another high in wave 5. If it has started or not, it's too early to, let's say, call that. Not confident in doing that at this stage, but a break above 13.1 cents would mean that I start to assume that wave 5 is unfolding. Then we would still need to break above the 15-cent level next, which would be the next resistance area, the wave 3 high, and all these previous swing highs are in that region around 15 cents. And then, I'm going to watch for that 25-cent level possibly to be reached. So it's looking all good. The move down looks corrective. We have a lot of overlapping price action. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down. That looks very supportive towards a more bullish outcome, as I suggested in previous updates, signals, and here the chart suggests it as well. But if we make another low, then 8.59 cents is the next support, and then I would also pay attention to this ascending trend line. That's my update about Kaspa. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.